Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. American TV personality and socialite Kim Kardashian has left fans guessing with her new meaningful post, seemingly sending a message of encouragement to her ex-husband Kanye West amid his struggle to cope with the crisis after controversial comments on social media. The mother of West's 4 children, who has finally divorced the American rapper after years of tense relationship with him, took to her Instagram stories on Saturday to share a quote of Dane Thomas. Kardashian's message seems to be a stone of hope out of the mountain of despair for the American rapper who almost went into isolation after the world had cut ties with him over his anti-Semitic comments on Twitter. Khloe's sister used to use the quote to support all who do not stop living even after bearing a great loss and tragedy, and even believe that life goes on despite all the hurdles and problems. The most beautiful soul you will ever find is one who has experienced loss but chooses to love, one who has experienced tragedy but chooses to have faith, and one who has experienced failure but chooses to pursue their dreams. Kardashian has posted to her Instagram stories. Kim, according to some fans, shared the words to give a thumbs up to West, who reportedly married the 28-year-old Yeezy architectural designer in a top-secret ceremony last month. West is believed to have tied the knot with Bianca Censori just 2 months after his divorce was finalized from Kim Kardashian. Thanks for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.